Hey everyone, kind of excited to share my new purchase. I bought this kind of cheapy spray gun here because I have a nice SATA and it's like $250 to rebuild it. Needs some work. It was actually cheaper to just buy a new gun. I know this isn't as good, but it had good reviews, so I want to try it out. So I'm actually painting, in the process of going to be painting this little golf cart with this weird nose. And I figured this gun will be perfect for it. So I'm going to open it up and do a little spray test with some water just to see how the spray pattern is. And then fast forward and show you a painting with it. So what do you get? Well, what drew me to this one is it comes with 3 different nozzles and needles. So on the gun it comes with a 1.3 and then there's a 1.5 and a 1.7. Also comes with a different style cup adapter. And then, kind of funny, it comes with sandpaper. 120 grit. Alright. And then, what do we got? These little filters, a brush, a couple brushes, and a wrench to loosen stuff and whatever on the gun. And we even got these little filters here for your cup when you're pouring it in. So, not too bad. Ooh, I just noticed this thing even comes with a regulator. Or gauge, at least. I didn't notice that. It was in the packaging. Missed it. I did notice there's quite a bit of grease and stuff and oils on this thing. So you're going to want to thoroughly clean it before you actually use it for anything important. But here it is with the cup on and everything. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, I got a few ounces of water here in the gun. And got my gauge all set up with my little water separator deal. I'm just going to spray quickly on this paper and see what the test pattern looks like. And as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to run solvent through here and clean the whole thing. At half trigger. I'm just going to see what kind of pattern we get here. Looks pretty big. So it's about a foot. And it's hard to tell with water, but it looks like it's atomizing nice. Oh no, I'm getting runs. Just kidding. Alright, I'm just gonna do a fake pass here. Wow, look at that. It's wet. I'm actually liking the gun so far. It feels really nice in my hand. I feel that the trigger feels a little cheap, but it is a little cheap. Whatever. As far as I'm used to, but whatever. And yeah, 75 bucks. Seems like it'll be just fine. Fast forward a couple days, got the gun all cleaned out with solvent. I'm ready to spray some of this Summit single stage urethane paint. We'll see how it goes. Don't mind my fan. I'm going to do a quick test spray on this paper and see what it looks like. Made some tweaks, and it looks like it's spraying better. It was sputtery. Looks like it's pretty good pattern to me. There goes nothing. Got my first coat on there. Doesn't look too bad. I got some dirt in there, but my garage is nasty. So, first coat, I put a little wetter on this part than I did this one. This is my first part that I painted. So I went a little wetter. Not bad for a first coat. Looks decent. The gun sprays pretty good. Just finished spraying and cleaning the gun. And it looks pretty good other than the dirt, which that's not the gun's fault. They came out pretty decent. I have piss poor lighting and my garage is disgusting. So any flaws with the paint is dirt and crap, so it's not really the gun's fault. But the gun sprays great. I think it was a great value. I'd recommend it if you're looking for a budget gun. Doesn't suck.